Today I want to do this snail mold, and I want to fill it up with clear resin and flowers. I have a couple of flowers here. So, and we are going to use casting resin from Let's Resin. First, I think we need to make some eyes for the snail, and I think I will make them with UV resin. Okay, I'm going to mix up around 500 milliliters, and this is the resin I was talking about. Let's Resin casting resin. It has a really nice pump here, so I'm getting 250 milliliters of part A and 250 milliliters of part B. Okay, so I mixed it up. I made 450 milliliters instead of 500. I think 500 will be too much, but we will see. And I divided it over 2 cups. So let's just open this up and see what we have here. Those are so cute. I think there can be 3 of these in there. They are pretty. I think I want one of these. Okay, we are around 30 minutes further. I see the resin is still very fluid, but well, we are going to try anyway. I think I will pour some resin in that head. In the head of the snail first, and put a flower there. And then we will continue. Let me see, what flower do I want? I think a small one. Let's get this one. Put a beautiful one, the beautiful side on the outside. I'm pushing it in very careful, so I won't produce more air bubbles. And I'm going to push that to the top. And in the same time, when I see an air bubble, I will try push that to the top. And let's just put this little cute green hydrangea in there also. It actually kind of stays where I want them, so that's good. I was afraid they would all sink to the bottom, but I don't think it will. I have alcohol ready here, so I can clean my tweezers right away.
from nobody else. Grab your seat at the fantasy parade. What I see is all inside my head. I come to you and hopefully.
Okay, so as you can see, there are still quite a lot of air bubbles in there, but it started to set up, so there's nothing I can do about that now. You can see here that I worked it, but it was already setting up, so that's why you see those dimples. I'm not sure how this is going to turn out, but we will see with the unmolding. I'll be back. So, it's only 3 to 4 hours later, but this thing got so hot that I think it cured much faster than it normally would. So, I hope I can still get it out of the mold. Let's see. Because normally you have to wait about 8 hours. Well, the edge is loose, so I hope I'm lucky and I didn't ruin my mold. How do I get this out of here? And you know, I made another mistake and I had to laugh so hard. Because here you can see the eyes that I made. And I was thinking later, snails don't have eyes. They have their eyes on top of here. So I think that's pretty funny. Oh, I can see the resin is still not totally cured. Well, too late. You see, only those two little things were still not cured, but I will cut it off. Well, for the rest, it didn't turn out too bad, but this is not how I had this in mind. And I will do it over again and then just pour layer after layer after layer, because this is now not how it's done and I should have watched more videos before I started, but I wanted to show you anyway so you can learn from my mistakes, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.